Okay, so this is about the handles on anchor points in Adobe Illustrator. This path here has no handles on its anchor point. As you can see, there's the anchor point right there. There are no handles on it. If you want to make handles on any given point, you need to go to your pen tool, click and hold to get the other choices, and the anchor point tool is the last one there. When I click on the anchor point tool with this, nothing happens, right? I have to click and drag, and that will give me some handles. My handles right now are equal, and I'm deciding where they will be. My smart guides are on right now, so if I want to have it be completely level, it is showing me how to do that. And they are there. So I'm going to make them kind of big so you can see where they are. And now we have handles on this anchor point. If you want the handles to go away, as a side note, you would click again and they would go away. All right. But we've got them here. I just hit undo. So here are our handles. And you can move these. Right now I made it perfectly perpendicular. I designed it so that it'd be nice and level. Once I touch them, that design has kind of gone away, obviously. You can get it back. If you look there, you can see that it snapped when it said handle. That's where the line is. But you can change this however you like, right? If I hold down the shift key, it goes on 45-degree angles. I'm holding my mouse down this whole time here as I'm dragging on this. But you will notice that this side is moving. Because I am on this side, it is moving, okay? So as soon as I start pulling on one of these, I am changing its side. And that doesn't matter if I'm holding down the shift key or not. That's just going to change that. So if I want to change the other one, same thing. They are now independent of each other. The only way to really make them move equally with each other would be to go back and select this again and click and hold and drag and make them again, and now they would be even and take them out to the point that I want them to be at. All right. Now those two sides are exactly even because I also had made sure that my bottom points were aligned. By going like this, selecting both of these and doing a bottom align, that made sure the two bottom points were at the same place. All right. So when I have these, if I want to get rid of one of them, let's say I only want one side to have a handle on it and the other one I want to go away, I can click on the handle and hold and drag all the way in. And it'll kind of pop at the last second. See, it's getting kind of crazy because I'm on my trackpad. There, now it made a square and that side is now straight. I can't get that handle back without going back and recreating this again with the anchor point tool. And now this one is just moving by itself. And there's just one handle there. All right. Undoing there. If I want to change one handle, I can, with my direct select tool active here, hold my Alt Option key. I'm holding the Alt Option key and I am dragging this handle. And now these two handles are independent of each other. So this one, they could always move in and out, but now this one just moves exactly on its own. So this one here is still completely flat. This one is now up at an angle. If I wanted it to be a precise angle, again, I could hold down my shift key and it will pop it to a 45-degree angle or a 90-degree angle. All right. And then this one too, again, still can adjust. I can bring them up like this and make that little bird shape that we had referred to before. Like that. And that's basically handles. The thing with handles is you really just have to practice with them. Know that your shift key and your Alt Option key do things with most of your tools, but especially with this tool, and just play around with it until you get it figured out. All right.